Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the forecast linear function in Google Sheets to predict future values based on your existing data. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to forecast your business's next sales month, project trends, or just impress your boss in meetings, all with a handy formula. So if you've ever looked at your data and wondered what's coming next, then this is definitely for you. Let's dive right in. Imagine you're tracking your company's monthly sales in Google Sheets. Here, what you've got so far. In column A, you've listed the months 1 through 5, and in column B, the corresponding sales numbers 200, 220, 250, 280, and 310. Now your manager has just asked, can you estimate the sales for the next few months? Luckily, Google Sheets makes this simple with the forecast linear function. First, let's get our spreadsheet ready. Make sure your months line up in one column and your sales data in the next, just like I showed earlier. Clear separation helps the formula understand what to analyze. Think of it like giving your GPS the right starting point and destination. Now to predict sales for months 6, 7, 8, and 9, we need to tell Google Sheets to analyze the pattern and continue the trend forward. The secret is the formula equals forecast, linear A7, B2, B6, A2, A6. Don't worry if this looks a bit intimidating, let's break it down together. The first part, A7, is actually the month you want to forecast. So when you type this formula into cell B7, A7 should contain the number 6, representing month 6. If it's empty, just type 6 in there. You'll notice Google Sheets makes it easy to copy the formula for additional months. Just fill in 7, 8, and 9 in the cells below. Next, B2, B6 refers to your known sales numbers, your Y values. These are the real results you've already got. Then A2, A6 are your known months, the X values. The formula is using these numbers to draw a best fit straight line. You can think of it as stretching a ruler across your data points to see where that line would hit in future months. So when you enter equals forecast, linear A7, B2, B6, A2, A6 in cell B7, you're telling Google Sheets, hey, look at my data, find the trend, and tell me what you predict the sales will be in month 6. Simple, right? Here's a nifty trick. Once you've entered that formula in B7, you can just drag the little blue square at the corner of the cell down to fill B8 and B9. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the formula for each row, so you'll get forecasts for months 7, 8, and 9. This part might take a few moments if you're new to dragging formulas, but don't worry, you really can't break anything by giving it a try. If you're curious about what's happening behind the scenes, Forecast Linear is performing what's called a linear regression. In plain terms, it's finding the straight line that best fits all your existing data points, then projecting future points along that line. This is the same math used in statistics, finance, and even science labs, but here, it's boiled down to a single formula you can use every day. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've unlocked the power to look beyond your current data and make informed predictions about what's next. Forecasting trends like this can seriously level up your analysis, whether you're managing sales, tracking budgets, or even planning your next YouTube video uploads. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to see more examples. Be sure to subscribe for more Google Sheets tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.